Y'all saw the thumbnail, so let's get started. Alright, this is NYX eyeshadow base. I will be applying that all over my lids. I'm going in Kylie's bronze palette with the shade Citrine, and that's going to go as my transition. Now this darker brown called Obsidian, I will be applying that in with my transition shade. Now I'm going in my Moroccan Spice Fenty Beauty palette with the shade called Fez Up. That pretty red is going to go right into my crease. And you're going to want to blend all that out. This pretty bright blue called Come and Get It is going to be applied right in my crease as well. Just a little bit though. Just blend that in with that red. And then I'm going in with that dark blue called Spice Trip. I will be taking that in the corners and then taking it into the crease. If you get a little bit on the lids, that's totally fine, but mostly just concentrate on the corners of your eyes, the outer corners. And blend, 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 y'all. Here we have the star of the show. This is the About Face liquid eye paint in matte green. It is called Smoke Signal. That's the name of the shade. I'll be applying a little bit onto my packing brush and pack that color on the top of my lid. Lashes and eyeliner I did off camera. Now I'm going to go with the PoreFessional primer. I'm going to be taking that all over my face. Alright y'all, next I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakeries foundation in the shade 323W, and I'll be applying that all over my face with my beauty blender. Applying a little bit of the Soul Body Balm in the shade Dark. I have here NYX Bear With Me Concealer in the shade Tan. And y'all, I was so hungry, I just had to eat. I was starving, I was gonna die. But I'm going to apply that concealer under my nose, my chin, and my eyes, in the middle of my 5 head, y'all, my 5 head. Beauty Bakery setting powder will be applied where I applied my concealer. LA Girl's concealer in the shade Espresso will be applied around my head, my cheekbones, and my jawlines. And I'm going to be blending all that out. I'll be sculpting that nose with the light and dark concealers I used for my face. And then carefully blending all that out. I'm going to be using that setting powder I used on my face to set my nose. I'm going to set the darker concealer I had applied with Fenty Beauty's bronzer powder. That includes around my head, cheekbones, and my jawline. And then I'm going to blend everything out. That darker blue for my bottom lash line and that lighter blue for my tear ducts. I'm going in with Sleek's blush palette, and I'm going to take the shade Lantern and applying that on the apples of my cheeks. Mascara for the bottom lashes. So I'm taking this ColourPop lip pencil in this brown shade, and I use a random pink for my inner lips and just blend it all in with some lip gloss. Some setting spray for the face, and we bussin', and we done. That is it. That is the look. That seductive emerald green goddess. Just beautiful. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. You did that shit. Anyway, y'all. Alright. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Oh, yes, bitch. Woo, child. Okay, sorry. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And yeah, and until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.